Have you ever questioned the secrets behind the tales of alchemy? It's time we peel away the layers of myths to uncover the kernel of truth within the world of chemistry. While some whimsically believe in converting lead into gold or that pure oxygen bestows superhuman abilities, we'll debunk such myths, shining a light on genuine chemical phenomenon. Chemistry transcends the bubbling potions and explosive reactions of popular media. It's a fundamental science that defines the universe's very makeup. By dispelling these misconceptions, we cultivate a genuine comprehension, enhancing our respect for chemistry's true wonder. As we journey into the atomic core, let's savor the discovery process, for truth in chemistry is as captivating as any fable. Each myth uncovered paves our path further into the awe-inspiring domain of chemical elements. Prepare to explore the bonds forming our reality as we transcend myths and grasp the truths that ignite the engines of innovation embedded in our everyday lives. Within existence's tapestry, atoms and molecules perform a delicate dance of assembly and disassembly, a symphony entitled chemical reactions. These hidden scripts shape the narrative of matter, influencing everything we encounter. Comprehending these reactions is akin to speaking chemistry's language, where every exchange, fracture, and alliance transforms reactants into products, redefining substance identities. Consider molecules as protagonists in an ongoing saga where tension and change craft the tale's momentum, embodying the significance of the mundane and the marvel, from medicinal breakthroughs to technological innovations. Entering this chapter, remember that these reactions etch continuous verses in life's grand book. They're not merely shaping our world, they're integral to its essence. Join us on this exploratory trek to not only understand chemical reactions, but to observe the fundamental alchemy at the universe's foundation. Envision the periodic table not just as a chart, but as a map teeming with secrets and stories. Each element, a unique destination, holds its narrative, waiting to be deciphered. Understanding this map's organization is the key to its wonders. Rows reflect tales of atomic mass progression, while columns reveal familial traits uniting elements chemically. Embrace this grid of enlightenment as we learn how positions and properties converse, from hydrogen's introductory role to the noble gas's stoic stance. The periodic table forms a vibrant tableau where metals, nonmetals, and metalloids each play significant parts. As we navigate this tableau, consider it more than a categorical arrangement. It's a tableau outlining nature's fundamental pieces. Stay with us as we venture deeper into the choreography of chemistry, spotlighting each element's crucial contribution to the perpetual reactions and formations we witness worldwide. Atoms are social entities of the microscopic realm, ever searching for connections to ensure stability. This particle dance is guided by two lead performers: ionic and covalent bonds. Ionic bonds suggest fleeting encounters where atoms exchange electrons with a touch of grace, establishing brittle yet distinct bonds as seen in crystal salt formations. Conversely, covalent bonds represent chemistry's slow dance, a sustained sharing of electrons that crafts organic compound diversity. These bonds are the architects of a landscape ranging from DNA helices to everyday plastics. Their strength determines a compound's resilience and reactivity, like diamonds' unparalleled hardness. Our exploration deepens, unveiling these bonds' roles in defining substances' properties and their behaviors in reactions. Continue with us as we explore the spectrum of chemical connections that form the myriad substances underpinning life itself. Step into the contrasting world of acids and bases, vividly illustrated by the tang of lemons and the gentleness of soap. These chemical opposites are the stars of countless scenarios around us, guided by the pH scale, our compass in understanding their nature. Picture the transformative moment when a litmus test divulges a substance's acidic or basic demeanor. Beyond color changes, it's a narrative of interaction, essential to safety and the delicate balance we maintain daily. Our comprehension of the pH scale underpins biomedical innovations and guides our every interaction with household substances. As we delve further, we realize that this knowledge isn't merely for understanding. It empowers us to mold and harmonize the chemical settings encompassing us. The continuing story of acids and bases extends into every chapter of chemistry, revealing that our humble interactions are part of a complex, sustaining rhythm. Transitioning from the theoretical to the tangible, chemistry's narrative now unfolds through hands-on experimentation. The story is electrified as we witness substances interplay, illustrating the dynamic interplays of reactions. We observe firsthand how acids and bases shift the scales of pH and react under watchful guidance. The spectacle before us demonstrates chemistry's practical narratives as the unseen becomes visible, revealing the power of science through empirical evidence. Notice how precision influences the outcome, much like the nuanced balance we navigate daily. This segment not only shares a thrilling scientific display, but also frames the broader story that continues to inspire our quest for knowledge. Up next, let's look forward to delving into case studies that spotlight historical insights and everyday applications of the same elements that star in our reactions. Take a journey back in time where the boundary between alchemy and science blurs, bringing the chronicles of elemental discovery into focus. We trace the legacy of innovators whose discoveries, like hydrogen's abundance or silicon's role in technology, punctuate our society's advancements. We examine elements like copper and carbon, whose stories intertwine with humanity's progress, from the conductive veins in our gadgets to the life-sustaining carbon chains. Our exploration connects these elemental milestones to contemporary achievements that have become indispensable. As we acknowledge these historical leaps, we realize that the path to future discoveries awaits our footsteps. The quest for new elements promises to further transform our world. The spellbinding dance of atoms and elements not only establishes matter, but also weaves history and innovation into a fabric of endless possibilities. Dive into the microcosm where the choreography of bonding unfolds. Our interactive 3D models reveal an atomic ballet, showcasing the dance of bond formation and dissolution. Through these models, you get unprecedented proximity to the forces that sculpt matter, from the electron exchanges of ionic bonds to the shared intimacies of covalent connections. Witness firsthand the atomic narratives that result in the creation of all substances. We trace the life cycle of bonds as they break and reform, symbolizing the continuity of chemistry's cycle. These virtual models offer you the reins, allowing a tactile understanding of transformations usually hidden to the naked eye. Together, we'll see how these insights significantly impact our world, shaping the development of new medicines and materials in chemistry's grand performance. Amid life's simple moments, acids and bases execute an essential balancing act, seamlessly integrated into our existence. This understated chemistry accompanies our everyday encounters, from the tartness of citrus to the effervescence of household reactions. Beginning with your morning coffee's acidity, we trace chemistry's influence as it continues through neutralizations that ease discomfort to the molecular embrace of soap and water. The stories of acids and bases echo throughout our daily experiences, embodying the scientific subtleties that orchestrate life's routine. As we push the boundaries of chemistry's narrative, we discover that its influences extend far beyond the laboratory, embracing us in the dance of daily existence. Reaching the conclusion of our expedition, we see chemistry as the silent sculptor of the world we inhabit, a vital force shaping innovation across every aspect of our lives. Chemistry's canvas is vast, nurturing the seeds of future technologies and driving medical advances that promise to sculpt tomorrow's landscape. It's a source of endless potential, akin to the latent energy within each molecule, awaiting catalysis. This scientific journey enlightens us, fostering dreams of a sustainable future and enriching life through boundless exploration. Chemistry invites the inquisitive mind to contemplate potential realities and harness the power of nature's toolkit. We thank you for joining this molecular odyssey. Let the curiosity you've sparked here react with your pursuit of wisdom, envisioning a world where the chemistry of possibilities knows no bounds.